Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There's an update regarding MCC counseling for round 1. The seat matrix is published. So in order to check the seat matrix, you need to visit on the site intramcc.nic.in. You need to remember this website. It's not mcc.nic.in. When you visit mcc.nic.in, it will show there coming soon, but on intra mcc.nic.in you can find the seat matrix. Okay, later they will publish on mcc.nic.in as well, but you can see there is a label new against all the notifications here, that is tentative all India quota seat matrix for MSMD diploma round 1 and seat matrix for IP quota deemed university seat matrix for round 1 and AMU BHU seat matrix. You can find it here, and in order to download you just need to click it and then you will be able to download. Okay, so yeah, I had my internet off. Okay, so let's download and see. You can click on open, download, and here you have the tentative seat matrix for MSMD diploma round 1. So you can see first one, institute type, it's all India quota. Then the institute name, that is Top Medical College in Mumbai, and then program, that is nothing but branch. Okay, and in open PWD, EWS PWD, OBC PWD, SC ST and other categories, you can find the seat distribution. So totally you can see the seat on the right side, the last column, total seats in particular branch. So that's the way you can find the seat matrix, and you can download for IP quota, AMU and BHU and deemed university as well. The seat matrix will be available for DNB on the website netbo.edu.in, but it's not published there. So once we get that published, we will update you on it. And all the paid members, you need to keep some patience. On 25th the registration will start, and we are on top of the seat matrix so that we can create the choice preference. Okay, and those seats which are added newly for this year, they might get added in round 2 if not added now. Okay, so accreditation is still going on, and accreditation for the seats which is for diploma courses, DNB diploma, they have extended the date, and still they have date until the until month end, and you will expect some more seats in DNB diploma as well. So there are plenty of options available. You just need to figure out the way how to get the best out of the possibilities available for you. Okay, with this I am concluding this video, and before that, if you are interested to avail our paid service, you can avail our paid service on the number given in the description. You can call us on 9319128677. Okay, only those candidates who are really interested to join the paid service, those candidates should call. Okay, because we are busy with answering the queries for our paid services, paid members, and we will able to take the calls in case it's really very much required for you. Many candidates requested just to keep the registration window open for paid membership, so I still have it open and you can get the benefit out of it. Okay, so we will meet again with another update. Until then, goodbye and take care.